Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is picking up my keys day, so yeah, I should be like super excited. I mean, I am, but as you can probably tell by my voice, I feel awful. I feel so rough. I am knackered. I literally woke up every hour last night, and that wasn't out of excitement, that was just me purely feeling very unwell, just full of cold at the moment, and yeah, I don't feel great. I've done a COVID test and it's not COVID, but yeah, I don't feel great. I felt awful yesterday and I was supposed to like do the rest of my packing yesterday, and yeah, that did not happen. I did not get out of my pajamas all day and I did not move off the sofa. I felt awful. Today I feel a little bit better. I've actually got up and got dressed and put some makeup on, but I still don't feel like 100%. So yeah, but it is moving day. We are getting our keys today. We aren't moving in today. That might sound really weird, but because I'm living with my parents, we don't have to move today. We're just going to get the keys today, and then tomorrow we're going to decorate, and then Sunday hopefully we'll be in, all moved in and settled in. So join us on the journey, and I will see you very soon. When I pick up the keys, I will be back and I will let you know. See you soon. Hi guys, so I have just had the call to get my keys, so I'm going to go collect my keys and then I will be back and I will show you them jingling. How exciting. See you soon. Hi guys, right, first of all, I'm literally just going to massively apologise for the really late delay. So the last time I filmed in this vlog, it was just over 2 weeks ago, and I was picking up the keys to my house. So in that vlog previously, I told you that I wasn't feeling very well. I basically had all the symptoms of COVID, but I was testing negative. My symptoms got worse. I woke up on Saturday, the day that we were coming around to decorate, and I literally couldn't breathe. Like, I'm telling you now, I could not breathe. So I couldn't catch my breath. I was white as a ghost and I just wanted to faint. I just wanted to be sick. I felt so sick. I had like a pain across my chest. It was horrendous. I've never felt so ill in all the years that I have, like, I've just never felt so ill in all my life. So yeah, I really apologise. So the whole like exciting moving house first home vlog just went to absolute pop because I was not well at all. It was not exciting whatsoever. It was probably the most unexciting event of my life, and it should have been the most exciting event of my life. It was horrendous. Anyway, I will, so all my videos that I had planned all went out the window. All the footage, everything. I did not do a single thing. I wanted to film putting the keys in the door, me and Ryan being excited, and, you know, like show you around the house when it was empty, and then show you it now, and like all the steps. I just wanted to do everything like that, and yeah, it all went horribly wrong. So I really apologise, and yeah, being ill just came at the wrong time, that is for sure. Like, I can't believe I was so poorly at the time where I wanted to be like so excited. Also, if you can hear my dog, she's crying because I've come up here quickly to film and she's like, where are you? But yeah, so I will do a house tour. We're still getting there. This is obviously going to be my new filming room, so I've got this as my background at the moment, but there's still like a lot of boxes, as you can see, which is not fun. So I'll show you around, and yeah, we'll end the vlog. Come into my house, I've got like this is from IKEA apparently, and then we've got all our coats and stuff, and then I've got a shoe rack. The hallway
the stairs, and then we'll go into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It is pretty much done. We got these from Amazon. Ryan's family kindly bought us these as our housewarming present, which had a matching toaster. And then I also got this tower microwave that was also from Ryan's family, and this was also from Amazon. I got these jars from Amazon as well, because I also have all of these, which I got from Amazon. These knives, black and rose gold knives, I got them from the range. So yeah, this is, excuse tea drinking, but this is our kitchen. So then you go into the hallway, and then you've got like a cupboard under the stairs here, which has just got like loads of shoes and junk. So this is our lounge. It is absolutely massive. I will do like a scan of the room just to show you how big this room really is. This is not staying. We are still waiting for our sofa to arrive. It should be arriving hopefully this week or maybe next week. We have our bookshelf, Ryan's tools, and obviously Tia's little dog bed, a nice little radiator. But yeah, this is the room. So this was like a mint greeny colour, and then I picked the dark grey and then the light grey. They were from Wix, and then we've just got like a really deep cupboard under the stairs. This then walks out to a conservatory with a clear roof. Excuse the mess. There is still a couple of boxes that we need to sort out down there, but basically in here we're going to have our dining room table and chairs, which is going to arrive the same time as our sofa. And then I've just got like a little chest freezer in here as well, and this is like sort of a minty greeny colour. And then this is the garden, so we've got like a little patio area with our rattan, and then we've got a little bit of grass, a shed. These pots will be gone probably next year now, but that is going to be another project that we'll do. I'm going to paint the fence, so there's going to be a massive garden transformation as well. But yeah, so that is the garden. So coming up the stairs, we have got this massive landing, cream carpet, grey walls. We didn't paint in here, so as you can see, it is a really, really, really big hallway. So this is Ryan's games room. It's nearly finished. So he's got his TV on the wall, his desk, his chair, and his monitor. There's still a few things to sort out in here, but yeah, it's like a little box room, as you can see. This is our room. So as you can see, it's just a really nice grey room. That wall there was dark green, and I'm not even joking you, it was dark green. And then from this angle, as you can see, we've got our furniture that we had in the old house. And then you go into like the cupboard, the airing cupboard, which is a really deep cupboard. This is the dressing room. Excuse the mess because there's a lot of unpacking still to do, but it's a mirrored room, so you've got the two wardrobes again. You can still fit a double bed in here. We're going to have a day bed, like, so it's going to go here, and then my really, really messy dressing table. But yeah, there's a lot to sort out in this room. And then lastly, we have the bathroom, which is like, look how small my sink is. Just thought I'd point that out to you. But yeah, this is the bathroom, and this is the shower. So we need to get a blind for this window, and we need to get a blind for our Ryan's gaming room. So that is the plan as well. But yes, so thank you for watching. I'm really, really sorry. This was like the longest vlog ever because it's been like 2 weeks since I last vlogged, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, and I also got a new tattoo. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's happened and I haven't brought you along. And then obviously I've been working as well. So trying to unpack and sort out a house as well as come back to you guys and update you guys. But yeah. So a massively apology, but I hope you like this video and I will see you all in the next one. Love ya. Bye.